Some information to come in here. Yes, you do.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey, get out! Stay down, stay down, stay down. Thank you. Get out. Well,
This guy comes to his apartment claiming to be looking for somebody, but he just turns out to be another rude visitor.
Yeah, hello.
Is you there?
No.
Okay.
What do you doing with my you pick it up my plants? Stupid motherfucker.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, don't leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle, just in case.
Fuck you doing? Sit dirty ass away.
This lady breaks into this home, but when the police try to come get her, she says they need a warrant. Let me know what y'all think.
Well, you got to get some information to come in here. Yes, you do. You got to know who. Hey, my grandson, he told me to come in here. Oh, lady, I didn't break in no house. I didn't break in. I said I didn't break in the house. I didn't break in no house. No, my grandson got it. No. Okay, don't have me like that. I told y'all my grandson told me to open the door and come in. And the door was open, and that's all I said to you. And the house is for sale. Look at that sign there before you take me anywhere. That house for sale. Look.
Get out of there.
I was actually just admiring your,
No. Get out. Leave. Or I'm calling the police.
I was just saying I was admiring.
I don't give a fuck. Get the fuck away.
Get out there.
A little bit.
Bro? What? Walk out of there, loser.
lady, I see you stealing. I have your face. Hey, lady. Hey, lady. I see you stealing, lady. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Check this shoe bandit out. He comes onto his porch and clears all the sneakers out. Even puts back a pair he doesn't like. Try not to keep your shoes outside if you value them. I see this goes on a lot in San Jose, California. I just don't include the videos. Try to grab those packages as soon as possible or reroute them to the nearest post office.
Hey, get away from there. Short, let me come downstairs. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Drop that shit there. Hey!
Hey, put my shit back. You fucking okay? I'll be right out. I'm gonna come see you. Put my shit back. Put my shit back. Hello. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna see you.
Hey, my can flew over, threw over your fence. I want to get it back. I'll come over next time in the morning. Get the IPA beer can back, okay? It's over the fence in the backyard.
Hey, yo, put that back. Yo.
This guy seems a little too excited for this package.
Yo, bitch, come get this shit, bitch. I take that shit. Bitch. Yo, bitch, I trade it. Yo, let me buy some pizza, bro. Buy some pizza. Hey, yo, come get that shit, nigga. You sit at home.
You are recording and I'm calling the cops. You better run! You better pack your bags, you're going to jail! Yeah, right now somebody's trying to break my door. Yes, right now.
Hey, get up.
Looks like we have a modern day Mrs. Doubtfire on the porch. Seems to be lost. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, let me know your thoughts below. The comments keep me motivated. Trigger warning, the next clip is pretty vulgar. You can cut it off now.
You was really gonna murder me, bitch. You a dog ass bitch, bro. That's crazy, bro. You a demonic spirit having ass, crackhead ass bitch. You was really creeping and geeking with my shit that I don't even get. Like that should make you feel like a crackhead. I barely even get anything. Why is you even bothering anything of mine? You weird as fuck. About to go watch the game. I'll be back at halftime, bitch. Slow motherfuckers want to kill people that never even pinched y'all. Son is wrong with motherfuckers out here, bro. How you want to kill a motherfucker that never even pinched you? Bitch, never nothing. Barely even talk. How you stand in the motherfucker backyard like that? That's weird as hell. Serial killer ass motherfuckers. I was dating a whole serial killer, bro. I hate you, bitch. I can't believe that.
Shit, we about to find out right now.